video is we're gonna have a review with NACIFIC cushion. So actually I won this from NACIFIC Philippines. So thank you very much NACIFIC Philippines. And alright, so let's get it on and unbox this. Wow, so it's so protected. Actually, I got like 3 options from. You could choose either the NACIFIC Phytoniacin Origin Serum, but I chose this for you guys because I haven't tried it yet, so I want to have a review about this. Okay, good thing there's an English part of the ingredients written here. NACIFIC FRESHHERBORIGIN Cover Cushion SPF 50 plus PA+++. The color 21 light beige. There. Open it now. And I chose the lightest color because I'm acidic. Really, I choose the lightest shade because I'm acidic. And yeah. Okay, so I just open it. Ta-da! Wow, look at the cushion. It's made of like golden packaging and it has 12 grams. Okay, love it. Sophisticated, right? Are you excited to open it? Okay, let's get it on. Alright, as you can see, it has like plastic, so you have to remove this. Okay, so this is the cushion sponge. Okay, NACIFIC. So we gotta remove this. So excited because I don't know if it's like so light on my skin. 1, 2, 3. Wow, it looks like there's an Origin serum. So I don't have any makeup or like cushion on my face, any foundation, only moisturizers. And I just applied eyeshadows and lipstick. Take note of that. Ooh. But let's apply it on our hands first. Wow. It's not sticky. And I love the color. It's gonna suit my skin. Wow. Ah. It has like nice scent. But for those people who don't like scented skincare or makeup, for me, it's not that bad. I like it. Okay, so let's apply our face. Okay. Wow, it's so white. But not bad. I like it because wow, this is gonna be my next favorite cushion. Well, it's covering my dark circles, my wow, look at that. So later it's gonna oxidize, so it's gonna be darker. For those people who are also acidic like me, please don't be afraid to choose the lightest color or shade from the cushion, BB cream, because actually me, I'm acidic, so I normally choose the lightest shade. Like from, you can see from my other videos I've made, so I've chose the lightest color. It's fine because it's gonna oxidize, meaning it's gonna be darker once you have applied it, and after a few hours it's gonna be darker. Okay, so as you can see, wow, my skin tone has blended very well. Wow, I love it. I thought I'm gonna regret choosing this on our forehead. And just want to apply. It can cover a lot of surface from your skin. If you have dark circles, you don't need like concealer. Wow, look at that. Ooh. Wow. Wow. This is what I've been waiting for. So definitely I will rate it 5 out of 5. Look at that. But of course, you're gonna apply cushion on your neck and your ears. Don't forget that. On our neck. As you can see, I have like a small pimple or like red mark. So let's see if it's gonna cover. Wow. I like it on the screen. Yeah, it kind of covered your like pimple, my pimple here. Okay, and that's it. Ta-da! So I've seen on Instagram that it's not gonna stain your cell phone or your mobile phones if you're gonna put it here. So let's see. There's a mark, so yeah. So you can see it. Okay, but it's not that sticky because it's semi-matte. What I like about this, it has SPF 50 plus PA plus plus plus. It means that it has a lot of protection face. Okay, so we're gonna go outside later and let's find out if it's really gonna oxidize, because so there are some cushions that make your skin really like dark, and that's the part that I don't like. I like it on the screen, on the video. It looks so luminous. Wow. It has covered your imperfection, freckle. I love it. Let's take a picture. Okay guys, so I'm gonna turn off the light. Let's see if it really looks good. Okay. So this is how it looks like when there's no ring light on. The forehead. It's not sticky. Yeah, it's not sticky. I like the finish. It's making my skin very luminous. It's making my skin like Korean finish skin, and I love that part. I love the color. I thought it's gonna be so white on my skin, and so far this is what I'm talking about. It's starting to oxidize because again I'm acidic. Ting. I love the packaging. I love it. It's kind of like dewy. Yeah, luminous. This is what I've been waiting for. Yeah, I can't wait to go outside and find out if it's really gonna make my skin dark or not. If it's gonna stay like this. Like, what I like about this, it has niacinamide. Niacinamide is for anti-wrinkle, adenosine, and it also has salicylate. Salicylate is actually good for the people who get pimples or acne. It's gonna make your pimples dry. The origin herbs, it has like 0.43%. I like that. It's like once you apply this cushion, you have like everything all in one. You can buy this on Shopee for like at least less than 700 pesos on Shopee. So I'll put the link in my description below. Chop chop. It's not making my skin sweaty. I love it. Ooh. I love it. Ooh, it's gonna cover your fine lines because it has niacinamide. So I'm back, guys. So by the way, something arrived today, and this is a big box, like so this is from this is from the Wall Creator. So you can follow them on Instagram. So they are selling wall frames. So I don't know what's inside. So this is by the way, a big wall frame. Is like 12 by 16 size. Okay, and I'd like to thank the Wall Creator again. Thank you. So let's unbox this. This is actually for me and my papa. Yeah, so big. Wow, this is actually good for designing your house. Yeah, wow. Okay. Wow. So I'm gonna put it on my wall like this so that you can see some design as my background. And yeah, can you see that? Shida! Wow, I love it. And next wall frame, so I'm gonna choose, maybe I'm gonna choose this one because I love the color. It's for me. Wow, so serene. Waves. Ta-da! So later we're gonna go outside. Currently wearing NACIFIC cushion 21 shade, 2 hours now, and this is the outcome after 2 hours and a half. Okay, and I'm loving it. And I didn't know that there's something inside, and this is a mirror, so you can use it, and it says here NACIFIC as your mirror. And thank you for this freebie. I love it. Thank you, NACIFIC. So hey guys, we're currently at Okada. Let's see my face. So after a couple of hours wearing NACIFIC, so I have this NACIFIC. I like the lights here, so that's why I brought it. Okay. I need to retouch my face. NACIFIC. Chop chop. And lipstick, I'm using CE 115. And a little dab of G9 Skin True Red. So I'm gonna rate it 5 out of 5. So as you can see, it's so luminous looking, Korean finished skin, and I love it. So how about you? Yeah, this is gonna be my holy grail. Yeah, this is what I've been waiting for. It's so luminous. It's not making your skin very dry. It's semi-matte, and it's not making your skin dark after you apply it a couple of hours. So I really love this very much. So thank you guys, NACIFIC Philippines. So I'm gonna put the link in my description below. Thank you.